Then after getting the master degree, I came back to my Kumbakonam. I started practicing acupuncture. But hard to believe me, I give you a book. You are a medical doctor, I give you one book of any modality, whether it is acupuncture or Ayurvedic, whatever be that. You can easily go through, you can understand certain things. For a writing, when you write an exam, easily you can get 50 marks and you get the degree. But it doesn't mean you know what it is going to do that. Because though I learned acupuncture, though I had a beautiful master degree in acupuncture, I was so reluctant in applying it to the patient. The reason being is, how come I am going to convince them? Because you know very well, in 78, when in 84, honestly telling, in 84 I started practicing acupuncture. At those times, how many people know about acupuncture? And everybody is running after the allopath and they are approaching me only for allopathy. Then how come I can say, I can put a needle, I'm going to put a needle. One injection, everybody will be scared. Even for children who are domestically there doing some mischief, everybody will be, mother will be telling, I'll take you to the doctor and I'll ask you to give a shot. That was the day. But that time, how come I can convince the patients? So I thought for a long time. Then I started telling my patients, somebody comes for arthritis. I used to tell them, look here, Bua, you are coming for arthritis. I am going to give you only analgesic. I am not going to treat you. So each and every time when I come, each and every time I am going to shift the trade names, but not the generic name. There are so many medical companies who have come out with that particular drug. So in those times, I will keep changing the name of the trade name, but the generic will be the same thing, same analgesic I am going to give you. So this is not going to help you. But I have went to China, I learned the science. I do not know whether it acts on you or not. Honestly telling you, I do not know. Because I am not confident, you need not pay me. So I don't want any money out of you. You come. But the thing is, if you accept, you have to come daily. Because how it has to be done is, because we don't give any medicine in acupuncture, we are going to make the body to work against a problem which it has got. So we have to make it normally. So it takes some time. So maybe 15 days, maybe 30 days, maybe 45 days, depends upon the severity of the diseases. So I try to convince each and every patient. Honestly telling you, next to God, I should be very thankful to my Kumbakonam patients. Happily they gave. They said, my son, why you are telling these things? We believe in you. Now I told them clearly, whether it works or not, I do not know. But in name of God, I can tell you, acupuncture has got no side effects. And I am not going to ask you to stop any drug, because there is no interaction between acupuncture and other systems. How it is, I will tell you in my next other programs. So when I told them like that, they surrendered themselves to me. They said, I will come regular till you tell doctor, I will come. Likewise, I took 3 patients in cervical spondylosis, 3 patients for asthma, 3 patients for arthritis. So I selected certain group of people. Then I started giving them treatment. Honestly, even now I remember one great gentleman. He is a general manager of a vessel, that is a Kali vessels. It is in Kumbakonam. That gentleman is Ramakrishnan by name. He is a general manager. He was a then general manager. He came to me by holding the hand like this. It is an extensive and a very worst case of cervical spondylosis. Cervical spondylosis, let me explain you in a little better way, because most of the doctors, you know what cervical spondylosis I meant. But for the other viewers, non-medical people, let me explain. Here you got from the brain, the spinal cord will be descending down. From the spinal cord only, 7-8 nerves descends and supplies the upper limb. This nerve, if it is being literally pressed by the vertebra because of the spondylic changes that has happened, because of the pressure symptom, you feel pain in the upper limb. You got bunches of wire, you cut off 2 wires. Somewhere the light may not be on. The problem need not be on the light, but on the wire. Likewise, when you got any problem in this way, it need not be a pathology of the hand itself. It could be a pressure symptom. There is a compression that is happening in the center of the spinal cord by the spondylitic change vertebrae. This is how my story goes. So the worst part of it, you first to start with, you see numbness. then you got pain, then excruciating pain, then after that the whole hand will be so heavier for you, so you cannot, if you drop it like that, you feel excruciating pain. So always you will be holding it like this. The first patient I got is that gentleman. He came for he was a great friend of mine. He came all the way. He said, Muthu, I got confidence in you. So you try. I'll come regular, but I'll pay. And I said, no, you need not pay because I'm not confident. So I started giving him treatment. He was holding the thing since 3 years. And doctors in those days, they think little to do any surgery, corrective surgery. Now spine surgery has become an order of a day. But in those days, spine surgery, they will not suggest just like that. He had to be on exercises, splint, so many things they tried, but nothing worked out. I started giving him nearly 40 minutes a day. On the 13th day, to my worst surprise, he came all the way happily without holding the hand. I was stunned. What could have happened, these things, how it happened? Then again on the 15th day. 17th day, he was as normal as anybody. He said, Muthu, I don't feel any pain at all. I sleep all the way. So I need not have to come again for another 13 days. I told him to come for 30 days. On the 17th day, he's asking me, am I to come for another 13 days? I said, you come, please come, sir. Kindly complete the things. He came for 30 days and he went happily. He went. After that, I was in Kumbakonam for more than 10 years. But it never recurred to him. So first time when I saw the result, I said, no, this is purely coincidental. Because my medical science, it doesn't say it will be cured by 13 days or 14 days. No, absolutely no. You ask my doctor friend, colleagues, the cervical spondylosis, no. You cannot treat it within 13 or 15 days. But when he start the result, I said, no, it's the coincidence. Second patient, the same result after 20 days or 25 days. Little bit, I was slinging to the other side. When the third patient came and told me that's becoming normal, it becomes a science. Then where is the question of hope? Like with the asthmatic patient also, first patient, no, I don't accept. Second patient, still it's a coincidence. Third patient, I have to say yes. Because whatever the result they produce, they are our bed judges. So I have to say yes. Then after that, I took X-ray and I could change the spondylitic changes in the X-ray. That was a great thing. Because in our science, sir, any bone, it takes minimum 6 to 8 weeks to grow. If you got a fracture, I put POP, I leave you alone. When I'll ask you to come back again, only after 6 weeks. Because in the body, the bone takes 6 weeks for it to grow. So naturally, how come it happens in 13 days and 15 days? That is even today, it's a miracle. Even today, unexplained. Because our science says it is nothing but the flow of energy. It's nothing but the flow of energy. 10 years of dried land, you can see, no water, no rain. It's a dried land. But 2 days rain, if it comes, and the third day you can see greenery. How come you say, well, how come, doc? For 10 years it was a dried land, nothing came out. After 2 days you were telling some green comes. Yes, it comes. That is a natural thing. That is a macrocosm. Our body is a microcosm. Whatever in the macrocosm, your body has got it. The same thing is the replica of the macrocosm. The body, our microcosm, is nothing but the replica of the macrocosm. You got a heaven, you got the earth. You got a head, you got a foot. You got water and air everywhere in the universe. You got prana and you got blood inside. You got 4 seasons in the world. You got 4 limbs, major limbs. You got 12 months. You got 12 major joints. Shoulder, elbow, and then the wrist. Likewise hip joint, knee joint and ankle. On both sides. Altogether 12 major joints. You got Panchabhuta in the universe. You got 5 elements within the body. So, fire, earth, metal, water and wood. These are the 5 elements that is available in the body. You got 360 days. In those days, if every year is concerned, calculated in 360 days. In the body, you got 360 bones. Believe me, it is not 206 as we were taught in allopathy. If you go for Google and check it now, they say 206 to 213. That is an average. But for a fetus, when it is born, it will be 275. Because most of the bones will be totally separated. After some time, when you grow old, automatically you'll get fused with something. So when you are born, it will be 275. But actually, the vertebra they considered as one. But it is easily, you can take it and you can part it. So by that, our acupuncture says 360 bones. In the body, you got a black eye. That is a replica of grapes. You got a cheek, replica of apple. You got the breast, replica of mango. You got the kidneys, it's a replica of the beans. You got the finger, you got the lady's finger. Here you take the bones, the drumsticks. So everything, whatever body inside, everything is a replica of something that is outside. That is how God has created a man. So we should not go against nature. The main problem now we are encountering is we are already gone out of nature. That's the problem. If you live according to the nature, that is the Tao, you will not get problem at all. That is the reason before some years, some I can say what is it, Tang University, Ming University, Ming Dynasties, the government, that king used to give a open document, the day 1, January 1, if it is January 1, day 1. You have to use this color of material, shirts, clothings. You have to have diet using only these things. Is a gram, this Bengal gram, or with the rice, something like that. These are all the things allowed. If you do like that for 360 days, totally, there will not be any disease at all. So when somebody tells that it's a disease, he'll be taken to custody. They will not be taken to hospital because he has trespassed the government order. That was a day the Chinese lived like that. Very interesting to feel and understand. Thank you.